how to check Prime Video password. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check your Prime Video password. So usually when you open up an account, you will be asked if you want to save a pass key. So they scan your face ID and save the password for you. So usually if you're using iPhone, it saves it to this app called Passwords. This is the default iPhone app. So you can just head over to Passwords, open it up with your face ID and search for the Prime Video password here. If it's not here, then you can come back and then head over to your Google Chrome if you use this browser. Then go to the three dots in the bottom right corner and there you'll find Password Manager. So these are the two places where you can find your Prime Video password. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.